All right. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but leaving from work, my gas tank is between a quarter and empty. The car is telling me I have 40 miles left, but in this video, hopefully you guys have been liking the POV type videos and everything, but I'm gonna just be but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and make a run to the Circle K. It's a Shell right here. D-Man told me not to use the Shell. He told me to use something different. So I was doing Murphy USA, which is Walmart's gas. And now I done found out that it was not good. So now I'm gonna take myself to Circle K. This will be the second time I've filled up on Circle K. Damn hasn't dropped any of the times since I've been using Circle K, so that's definitely a plus. So let's go ahead and hit the road. I remember my last POV video, which is ironic because I'm shooting this video today, and my POV video actually went out today. I might do you guys a couple pulls here and there on my way there, and then afterwards I usually like to pull maybe once after I get gas, just to make sure the gas I mixed on top of basically what I had is, you know, just making sure it's getting cycled in, you know what I'm saying? I'm not sure if that's a thing, but I feel like, you know, if you run your car all the way to E, it's pulling in trash and all types of stuff in the bottom of your tank. So I try not to do that, and I try not to push on it as much when I don't have any gas. So let's go ahead and get to the gas station, and I'll be updating you guys in a few minutes. So enjoy a little POV drive. Usually I listen to music, but I can't listen to music and record, so I don't listen to no music whenever I'm doing these POVs, and it's kind of boring, but you know, it gives you guys a good perspective on everything that's going on in the car, and then you guys get to basically see and, you know, get a good field of view of what I see when I drive my WRX. One day I'm gonna actually do a video showing you guys how to downshift. Ooh, had a couple pops right there. I don't have no burble tune or anything like that, so all my pops are natural pops coming from my Remark axle backs. I don't have a cat back exhaust. That's another thing that I can do to get like a little bit more power. Glad we coming to the gas station because gas light just came on and I'm not even at the line yet. So this is why I go to the gas station between quarter and empty. There's so many people here. I guess today was the day everybody figured out they wanted to get gas today, but we putting gas in there. Currently at 30 bucks, 9 gallons. I think I'm gonna actually put on my comprehensive tuning sticker right there. That's what I'm thinking about. Okay. I had to literally back up into a gas pump. Like my fuel gauge doesn't get me, it don't get me all the way full, but I guess it is what it is. Out right here. Ain't got no room to stretch her out. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to stretch it out like you guys probably wanted me to. But with all of that little rowdiness, I'm 13 miles per gallon and I just filled her up. And we had no knock, no feedback knock, no nothing. Everything is good, dam is good, so she's running fine. I believe in my tuner, and he got my WRX crazy nice. Like, I had a lot of knock, and he found a lot of stuff that was wrong with the car when I first started my tuning process, and now everything's good to go. We are outside. It's very hot out here today, but we're gonna be putting the rest of my Motul oil into the WRX today because the day after I got an oil change, well, the day after I got gas, I was sitting and I actually checked my oil level, and my oil level was not at the second bubble, it was at the first bubble. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. And I'm sitting at around 2,000 miles on this oil change. So I think this is around the time that I need to go ahead and add a little bit of oil. I was kind of confused of why I had extra oil left over from my Motul master oil change kit that I got. And this is probably why. 1,912. And that is what it's been basically since I've changed the oil. So let me show you what the oil level is right now. It's been sitting all night. I haven't driven the car at all today, so should be cold and cool and everything. I got a jankily prop up my hood because I still haven't gotten that thing back. So let me get my piece of wood. So now I have to do this because I don't have a hood strut on one side. All right, so I got some paper towels. I just dropped one. Littering. I'm just wanting to show you guys my oil level before we go ahead and put any oil in. So I put it in, took it back out. I'm not sure if you guys can see while it drips on my engine bay, but not sure if you guys can see, but it was a lot lower the other day. And granted, the car was a little hot the other day when I checked it. So I want to add 8, and then I'm gonna actually keep 8 just to make sure I'm not over adding, because I know that is a thing. Boom, just like that. We're just gonna add a little bit in. And money, I literally added 8 ounces in because we have 8 ounces left, and I'm actually going to throw the rest of this in the trunk. I actually was supposed to do that initially, but I actually left it in the house on accident. So it's still a FA20. It's still gonna, burn a little oil, and like I was saying, I'm already close to 2,000 miles on this oil change, and I'm gonna change it every 3,000. So basically, this was just me having to add a little bit because it did drink a little bit within the 2,000 miles since the last oil change. If you guys didn't see, when I first did my oil change, I actually did the Motul Master oil change kit. So it came with, I think, a 5-gallon or a 4-gallon, and then it had this one extra on the edge, well, left over. And I think this is why I needed that one left over, just in case I burn a little oil before my 3,000 mile oil change. So that's it. I just wanted to show you guys me adding a little oil in here. Nothing's wrong with the car. Everything's running fine. I did have a weird 3.16 knock yesterday, but that was the first time I've had a knock like that since I've had the car back. And it's drinking gas a little quicker. So I'm thinking the gas that I got might not be as good. And that's probably because when I went to Circle K, which you guys will see, it was a ton of people there, and usually when I go, it's not that many people there. So, and also we're actually going to be checking on the AOS. I'm not sure if you guys remember, but the AOS has this weird coloring to it, as if my oil is actually coming out of here. I'm not sure why or what's causing it to do that. So whenever I change my oil at 3,000, I gotta make sure I change out my AOS seal at the bottom and just make sure this bad baby is cleaned out as well. So that's gonna be it. Hope you guys did enjoy. Let me go ahead and take my stick out of my dang hood, and then we're gonna close it up and we'll be good to go. Anyways, it's me, boy Christian. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. I'll see you guys on the next one.